Namaste children. In the first turn, we have done the drawing, outline and fluorescent color. The second turn, we have done the another separate design. Hope you have done both the sides finished. Now today is the third day with the clay. If you have, then it's good. If you don't have, again I repeat, no need to panic. You can use home dough. No problem. When you are using this Faber-Castell dough, I need the talcum powder also. You have a rectangle strips. I need more. So I am going to mix yellow and orange together. So I will get one more light shade. Properly mix the color. So you will get the two color. From the two color, you try to mix till one color you will get. See how I am mixing? So you can see now only one color. It's a deep yellow color. When you mix yellow and orange, you get the deep yellow shade. From this, you will make a 4 part. 1, 2, 3 and 4. From the 4 part, from the 1 part, we will make a leg. So first, see why we have done this background and everything. So now I am telling you, we are making a clay Ganesha, homemade Ganesha. You can see first I have done the legs, one side. Again I keep ready for the second leg. The same way. First you make laddu. Then move your hands like this way. Make it narrow. You can see how I am doing. When you use the talcum powder, it will not stick to your hand. It is more easy for you. See, I have given the shape. This is a two shape, 2 part Ganeshas, legs. As you know, Ganesha has a big stomach. So, please take a big size laddu and make a big stomach coming outside. This way, the tummy is coming outside. You can have a look. Now the 2 legs again. This is a tummy part. Now please arrange perfectly. Now again 2 part make it. Make the 2 small hands. One hand always give the blessing. So thumb. You can do first rectangle. You can see how I have done the rectangle first. Rectangle. Then you can give the carving with the tools. Thumb effect. You can see now. And then you can do a 3 line. So you will get the 4 parts. Very simple. And you can stick this part over here. The Ganesha is giving blessing to everyone. So simple. Now you will make second hand. As usual, everyone knows Ganesha loves laddu. So in the second hand, you will make the hand like this way. Is holding hand. A chintu pintu laddu. Drop shape. Whenever you feel the shape is not coming or sticking to your hand, please use the talcum powder and do it nicely. Again give the 3 lines effect like a 4 fingers. You can see 3 lines. I keep the hand over here. I've done the laddu also. And you can see I have not used any kind of sticking material. The clay is automatic getting stick. Now we will make the face. Now for circle, from the circle you need to make the Ganesha's trunk also. So make it a drop, more oval. Is more pointed. See how I'm moving, and I'm giving pressure only the one side. So this is a face, and you can give the curve like a trunk. The trunk is going towards to laddu, and see I'm sticking over here. You can see trunk is going towards to laddu. Now from the last step, we'll make a 2 shape. Properly scrub, draw a circle, just press with your finger, a nice big oval, little bit pointed, Ganesha's big ears. This is a basic thing I've done. You can make it with your style. You can make more ornaments. You can stick some diamonds, stones. Everything is up to you, whatever you feel like to do. Try to stick very softly. Right? Now I will make the red color crown little bit. So it will look very nice and complete. A simple oval and oval and oval. Like this way you can make the 3 more steps. Now you come to know why we have done the background design and decoration for Ganesha. It's so simple. Vignaharta is really very nice. Please do it with your style. Your creation is allowed. Again I repeat, if you don't have this Faber-Castell clay, you can use your own homemade dough, no problem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a great day.